السلام علیکم دوستوں، آپ کیسے ہیں؟ چینل اسٹارٹ کرنے سے پہلے آپ میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کر دیں اور وہ کر دیں اور تھینکس. اب چلو.
Weird, there's something on the table. Whoa, what a beautiful shoe! I've been dreaming about this for a long time. Emma, look at the way it shimmers. Your shoe looks very different. I think that's because it's made of chocolate. It smells really good. I guess I should check. Wow, Susie, it definitely is chocolate. So delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Congrats, you're in luck. I'd like to try that chocolate too. Don't worry, you'll get lucky next time.
Awesome.
For now, don't put your hands on my food. Looks like I'm gonna go hungry. Should I try again? What if Emma doesn't notice? I can see everything. Don't try to trick me, Susie. What the heck is this? It looks like a multicolored rash. Well, I haven't even tasted the chocolate yet. Ugh, I look awful. It's your own fault. You shouldn't have bothered me. Maybe this shoe's edible too. No, that's definitely not the case. Stop putting everything in your mouth. You're right, especially since I have a better idea. It's time to try on these shoes. I hope they fit me. Come on, fit! Susie, you're gonna break your leg. Help! I told you you shouldn't have done that.
Oh, baby.
I wonder where I am. Who's that? How gallant. He gave me his hand. Hi, I'm your prince. Oh no! I don't want to kiss you!
Oh, baby.
Don't bother me! I need to get rid of these stupid shoes now!
Ah!
Where'd she go? Susie's been gone for so long. I'm worried. Oh, there she is! Emma, you were right! Shouldn't have worn those shoes. No, Dadu. I'm hungry. Where's our food? Here it is, look! Yeah, I can see it! Wow! A gummy man! What about you? I think it's mussels. I hate seafood. It always stinks. I wish I could taste your man. Another time. For now, eat your food. Okay, I'm ready. Wish me luck. It'll definitely be very healthy. Ugh, how bitter. I wish I didn't put that in my mouth. It's even disgusting to watch. I don't know how you're coping. It's difficult. I hope that someday I'll receive an award for this. There's only 3 mussels left. I need to wait a little longer. What's going on with you, Susie? You're glowing all over. Wow! It's really beautiful. Monica! I've grown a tail. Can you see? I became a mermaid. Oh my god. Super. You look really cool. It suits you. And look at this jewelry. Did you notice? Wow! If you want, I'll let you wear it. Thanks so much. It's so cute. Hooray, I managed to distract her. Let her fiddle with that bracelet and I'll eat the gummy. Bye-bye, Monica. Ah! I slipped! My gummy! Whew, I'm glad I caught him. I need to eat him soon so Susie doesn't get any. It's so delicious. Tastes like a whole rainbow.
Awesome!
Ow, my head! That really hurt. Oh no! Monica almost ate all the gummy! Never mind, I'll show her. What the heck is this? Where did this water come from? I'm soaking wet. And I'm wearing seaweed. That's disgusting. The new food is interesting. Emma, here, open first. A gummy bear, wow! It looks really cool. Yeah, really cute. I wouldn't mind giving him a bite on the side. Or maybe just a little lick. Well, you definitely love it. It's so sweet. Wow! Maybe you could share it. Don't try to make me feel sorry for you, Susie. It won't work. And don't even dream about this bear. I should have expected this from you. But I'll still get my way. Let go of my bear! You tore off his ear! It's not much, but it's better than nothing. I'm glad we found a compromise. Both you and I are able to taste this gummy. It's good. And I got a lot more. Oh, I can't get enough. It's so delicious. I would really like some more. Look for it on your plate. I don't have anything else. many colorful ears of corn. I've never seen anything like this. Smells good. Now I want to try it. So soft. Cool. I like corn. But I've come up with something even better. What are you doing, Susie? Are you planning to blow up the place? Don't worry. It's just a little short circuit. Not a big deal. A little patience, and now I'll be getting something incredible. That looks unusual. Come on, do something now. Whatever you say, Emma. I have everything ready to go. Let's go. So far, everything is going according to plan. It started. It's popping. I did it. Popcorn? So that's what you came up with. Brilliant. Thanks, I'm really proud of myself. Oh no! It looks like there was a short circuit. Popcorn and so much of it. Susie, what's the matter with you? You don't look so good. Can you hear me? Answer.
ٹھیک ہے. اوہ گمس مجھے بہت اچھے لگتے ہیں. تھینک یو. لیمن بہت کھٹے ہوتے ہیں یہ تو. چلو تم ٹرائی کرو. ٹھیک ہے میں ٹرائی کرتی ہوں پہلے. ایسے ایسے یہ کیا کر رہی ہو تم؟ اب دیکھنا مجھے. او میں کہاں چلی گئی؟ ٹھیک اب کیا کر سکتے ہیں؟ یہ کہاں سے آیا؟ مجھے بہت ڈر لگ رہا ہے. ہاں دیکھو میں واپس آ گئی. اب اس کو کھانا اسٹارٹ کرتی ہوں. تمہارا کوئی حال نہیں ویسے بھی. چلو کھانا اسٹارٹ کرتی ہوں میں اس کو. یہ بہت سخت ہے پر بہت مزیدار بھی ہے. ہاں سچی میں بہت مزیدار. مجھے بہت اچھا لگا. سو انٹرسٹنگ. کاش کہ مجھے بھی مل جاتا. مجھے بہت اچھا لگا. چلو اب میری باری ہے. یہ دیکھو. بہت شاندار. اب دیکھنا میں اس میں بہت شاندار. اب میں اس میں اور گرین کلر ڈالوں گی. اب ریڈ ڈالوں گی اور اب یلو. یہ دیکھو میرے پاس کتنے سارے کلرس کے ہیں. چلو اب اس گرین والے کی باری ہے. گرین والا بھی بہت مزیدار. کاش کہ مجھے مل جاتا. یہ مزیدار ہے اور ریڈ بھی مجھے بہت اچھے لگے سارے فلیورز. اب میرے چہرے کو دیکھو میں بدل رہی ہوں آہستہ آہستہ. یہ بہت کھٹا ہے لیکن بہت مزیدار بھی ہے. تب تک کے لیے میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں, لائک کریں اور آپ کو یہ ویڈیو اچھی لگ رہی ہو تو مجھے کمنٹ میں بتائیں.